Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. I don't say yo, I just say, bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something super simple and installing a wig. Don't judge me on how I install my wig. That's a disclaimer. Don't judge me. So let's get right into it. First thing you're going to need is some got to be glued. Even though it says got to be glued, it's not really glue. It's just some super strong ass hair gel. So don't worry about it damaging your edges unless you're like extra bald on the edge line. Don't worry about it. But I'm gonna put a little bit of powder because I only wear closures because y'all know I got a low ass hairline. Then take a little setting spray. I'm already fucking up this voiceover. Take some freeze spray, let it dry and get tacky, and then just slide your wig on it. This wig is hella old, from like last year. I cannot remember where the hair is from, and I can never part straight in my life, and don't judge me for not having an actual comb and using the edge comb to define my parting space. I'm gonna take some foam. Not yet? Okay, wow. I'm gonna take the flat iron. This flat iron is from Kiss. It was like $60, and I like it because it has a like hot plate on the outside. Don't say in the comments why you can't just use a hot comb. Listen, this is what I got. This is what I like. And I'm just gonna take that to flatten and define the part. Now I'm gonna take some mousse and lay any flyaways down, and then I'm just gonna bring that and pull that through the hair to, you know, redefine the curl pattern. And I'm also gonna spray a little bit of conditioner. It's water conditioner and some wrap mousse. Wow, you know what, this ain't for me. Voiceovers ain't for me, because honestly, wrap mousse, Tiffany. Anyway, let's get into the makeup. I'm gonna take some facial spray from Farsali, the rose gold spray, and spray it all over my face. Some glow serum from Valjean Labs. You know, you can just pick that up at TJ Maxx, and put that all over my face as well, because you want to go facial spray. I didn't use any toner, but facial spray, normally toner, serum, and then moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm going to be using is from Pixi. It is the Phenomenal Gel. Really, really love this stuff. And then I'm going to just massage that all in my face and then move on to primer. Both of the primers I'm going to be using are from Touch and Soul. No Pore, No Problem. One is like a water toner type, and then the other one is like an actual lotion based primer. It's really, really, really good if you have problems with pores. It really does fill in your pores. I love how it looks and feels on my skin. And I'm gonna grab my Benefit Goof Proof pencil. At first, when I opened it, I was like, hold up, I hate triangle pencils, but this one I actually really, 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 really like. I can see why, you know, certain people really say these brow pencils are popping, because me spending $24 for a brow pencil was never a thing, but this kind of made me a believer. I did my brows so quick, and I didn't feel the need to have to use any pomade. Now I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the color Natural Sand, and I'm going to clean up under my brows with the Crown C432 brush. It's almost an exact dupe for the Morphe M432 brush. On top, I like to use foundation so I don't get those dreaded halo brows. That's not a thing. I can continue to tell you guys it's not a thing. And now I'm going to use my Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush and just blend out. Do y'all see my face? I'm watching Dead to Me. If y'all not watching that on Netflix, woo child. So I'm just going to use my Expert Concealer brush to blend it out, and then use my spoolie to fleek out. You know what? I'm moving too fucking fast, first of all. I'm putting concealer on my eyelids to use as an eyeshadow base. And check out this Bestie Gang palette. Hey, Bestie. Hey, Takara. This is the Sex Addict palette, and I'm using the color Pussy Eater. Yep, that's the name of it. And I'm going to apply that all over my lids and blend it out. Now I'm going to throw a little liquid liner on there. This is the NYX matte liner. You know, super simple, no wing, just straight across. Just hold your breath and pray. That's how you do a straight liner. Okay, now for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in 385, and I'm going to blend it out with the NYX 03 brush. I'm using the same concealer I used under my brow, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Natural Sand, and I'm going to blend it out with a Real Techniques setting brush. Big shout out to my girl Dr. J Slays for sending me this finishing brush. It's Big Bertha. Ew. I'll put a link in the description for you to purchase. Using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, I'm going to use the Sculpt shade to contour and bronze my face. The lashes I'm using is in the style Drama Queen from Lash Story. Thank you so much. I love the packaging for these lashes. So cute. And I use IMV Super Strong Coat Glue to put them on. On the highlight, Fenty What a Brat. And I'm also going to use that on my face a little bit later on. I'm going to grab my lip lingerie, the gloss and the matte. The matte is embellishment, the gloss is honeymoon. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. This bonnet is from Omas Cosmetics. I'll also put that in the description bar. I love her bonnets. And thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you watched this whole video and you have not subscribed yet, I am judging you. See you guys next time.
Silkies, got beef, broccoli, got tracksuits, Rock Lee, got swipes, hoes, not me. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone, birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Bitch, I'm a bird, I love hookah and